In today's video, I am going to teach you how to log out of Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone client area or the Pepperstone trading platform. Once you are inside your account, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. In most cases, this is where you will find your profile icon or account menu. Click on that profile icon or account menu to open the list of available options. After the menu appears, look for the option labeled Log Out or Sign Out. Select that option to begin signing out of your account. After you click Log Out, give Pepperstone a moment to securely end your session. This usually only takes a few seconds. During this process, the platform will close your active session and return you to the login area. Once the logout process is complete, confirm that you have been redirected to the sign-in page. This is an important final check because it shows that your account session has been fully closed. If you still see account information or open platform access, wait a moment and refresh the page if needed. If you are using a shared computer or a public device, take one more step for added security. Close the browser tab completely after logging out. If you are using the Pepperstone application instead of a browser, fully exit the app. This helps protect your account and prevents anyone else from accessing your session after you leave the device. If you manage more than one Pepperstone account, make sure you are logging out of the correct session before closing the page or the app. This is especially useful if you switch between accounts during the day. Taking a quick second to verify that you are fully signed out can help you avoid confusion the next time you log in. The process is simple. Open your account menu, choose Log Out, wait for the session to end, and confirm that you are back on the sign-in page. After that, close the browser or app if you are on a shared device. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.